guys! So today's video is going to be all about my bullet journal that I made last week. If you want, you can go check that out. At least I think it was last week. Actually, it was 2 weeks ago. Never mind. But you can still go check that video out. And yeah, let's just get on into it. This is a bullet journal tour 2020 for what I have written in so far. So the first page is nope, not that, is my little cover page. I just did a 2020 bullet journal, and my bullet journaling video that I made before is like how I drew it. So if you want to know how I made this and like drew it, then like you can watch that video after you watch this one. Then I just have my index. I haven't filled out everything yet. Then I have 2020 at a glance with like January, February, March, you know what I mean. Then I have my New Year's resolutions, then things that make me happy, and this page of my bullet journal makes me happy. So positivity, art, rainbows and bright colors, fun makeup. That's why I got the James Charles X Morphe palette for Christmas. Christmas haul on my channel somewhere. Then I love my YouTube channel too. Nature and space, and of course my bullet journal. And then I have my mood tracker 2020. I only put in the annoyed and the sad one because I wanted some color other than the tealish color and the yellow color. So that's why I put them there. And then I have some video ideas, which you might see. Okay, so I'm gonna have to cover these names because they're surnames and I don't want surnames getting out. And then I have my reading log, which is like one book colored in is like 10 pages, so there, I've done that much reading this January. Not that much, but still. Then here's my productivity log, where I like color in a little rectangle thing every time I do this task, I guess. Then I have my exercising log, and then at the bottom it says stay fit, yay! And then I have my experiences thing, and then I saw a Christmas Carol play in the Gate Theatre in Dublin, in Ireland. And here's my water drinking log, and one like colored in cup, I guess, is like 3 cups of water. So yeah, there's all of it. Then I actually need to do that 262. And then I have my 2020 wish list. Then I have my January thing, I guess. Then I have the little whatchamacallit there, and it's gonna be a space theme, if you couldn't already tell. Then I have this here. I should have done it on this and then this, but it was kind of gone through the page, the coloring, because I did a lot of color there. So I just went on to the next page. I just randomly did this. I don't think I'm gonna do that for the rest of like the stuff, but there's the end of this thing. So next is my January mood tracker, and I forgot to fill in this because it is Friday the 17th. Yes, I procrastinate a lot. And then here's my January sleeping log. Never mind how late I went to sleep there, and this annoys me because I put the wrong color there, so that will always bother me. And then here's daily tasks to do. You color one in every time you do the task, I guess. Then I have just like a blank page. Then I have my whatchamacallits, my weekly spreads. Sorry, I forgot what they're called, but yeah. And then here's my February whatchamacallit. Sorry, this is kind of at an angle. Then I have the month of February and February mood tracker. And actually, I forgot to say the theme is like flowers, I guess. So I did the mood tracker kind of like the sleeping log thingy, and here's the sleeping log. And then here's my daily tasks. I haven't filled them in yet because it's not February. Then I just have some blank pages before I go on to the weekly spreads for this month. For next month, I guess. Whatever. And then here's my March thing. So the theme is like nature, I guess. So I drew a bunch of leaves and then a little bird. Alana suggested that. Shout out to Alana. And then I have March. Now I haven't really like written it out at all, but it's basically it. A sleeping log. It's just very temporary here, like with the pencil stuff. So yeah, and then there's daily tasks and then probably like a weekly spread here. But yeah, that's my bullet journal 2020. Stop moving. Sorry, my tripod's moving. And then here's the back of it because I got bored on Thursday evening, so I decided to, paint a lot. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because my goal for 2020 is hit 500 subscribers. Yay! Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!